It is a do or die for South Africa, Bafana Bafana, against the Brave Warriors of Zimbabwe in the match day 3 of the AFCON 2025. This is the last match of Group B. This is a definitive match because it could determine whether South Africa makes it to the last 16 round of the AFCON or Zimbabwe makes it. So both teams are coming to this match needing to collect maximum points. Although in the South Africa's case, a draw will give South Africa 4 points because South Africa has already got 3 points that they accumulated in match day 1 against Angola. Of course, we know that South Africa went on to lose on match day 2 against Egypt under very dubious circumstances. So a 1 point will give South Africa 4 points. Will still give South Africa a chance to qualify, but it's a bit risky because permutations are at play. You can't tell what will happen in another match of Group B, which will be playing at the same time, which will be between Angola and Egypt. Because Angola are on the 1 point as well. So if Angola beats Egypt, then they've got 4 points. I'm not sure in terms of CAF to still utilize the head-to-head, because if we were to go to head-to-head, of course, South Africa would have an advantage over Angola. But for South Africa to be firm and to be sure, South Africa needs to beat Zimbabwe. Don't play for a draw. And I really hope that head coach Hugo Broos will not adopt his negative football philosophy of wanting to play for a draw, because that is very risky. South Africa has it in its arsenal to defeat anyone at this AFCON, least Zimbabwe. When also consider the fact how the last match between South Africa and Zimbabwe panned out in the World Cup qualifiers out at Moses Mabhida Stadium. So South Africa needs to beat Zimbabwe to be sure about qualifications to the last 16 round. Any failure to qualify for the last 16 round will be disastrous and will bring unnecessary pressure to this talented group of players that South Africa has. So this is the definitive preview and forecast for the Limpopo Derby on match day 3. It is Limpopo Derby because the Limpopo River, it is what is separating South Africa and Zimbabwe. A high-stakes regional showdown between South Africa and Zimbabwe on Monday, December 29, 2025. The AFCON 2025 Group B Match Day 3 preview. South Africa versus Zimbabwe. The date it is Monday, the 29th of November, rather 29th of December 2025. Venue is the Grand Stade de Marrakech in Morocco. Kickoff time it is 5 o'clock local time. Okay? But in terms of South African Standard Time, it is 6 o'clock. The stakes, the battle for survival. While Egypt has already secured top spot, the second automatic qualification berth comes down to this Southern African derby. Bafana Bafana needs only a draw to progress, whereas the Warriors must win to stay in the tournament. The Group B standing, right, as we enter match day 3. Number 1 is Egypt. 2 it is South Africa. Egypt have played 2 matches. They've got 2 wins, 0 draws, 0 losses. Goal difference of +2, 6 points. They've collected 6 points. South Africa at position 2. With they've played 2 matches, 1 win, 0 draws, 1 defeat. Goal difference of 0. Points collected, it is 3 points. Angola at position 3. Played 2 matches, 0 wins, 1 draw, 1 defeat, goal difference of -1. Collected only a single point. Zimbabwe at position 4. Played 2 matches, 0 wins, 1 draw, 1 defeat, goal difference of -1. Goal difference of -1 and 1 point collected. Right? So in terms of the team profiles and key players, on the South African side, South Africa, the CAF ranking, South Africa at position 11, are ranked number 11 on CAF. Their best AFCON winners in 1996. Key player is Teboho Mokoena. Zimbabwe are ranked 36th on the CAF rankings, right? Zimbabwe are ranked 36th on the CAF rankings. Their best AFCON has been group stages, meaning Zimbabwe has never progressed beyond the CAF group stages. Key player, it is Knowledge Musona. Okay. The team news and tactical outlook. South Africa fueled by frustration. The motivated camp. Coach Hugo Broos has stated his team is 200% motivated after the controversial penalty decisions in the Egypt game. The disharmony from the opening week has been replaced by a siege mentality. Selection. Mohamed is expected to return to the starting 11 after being neutralized, right, as an unused sub against Egypt. Aubrey Modiba and Talented Mbata must be careful. Both are, rather not Talented but Pepelo Sithole, are both on yellow card, right? I mean, they are just one card away from missing a potential round of 16 clash. Zimbabwe, all or nothing. Injury news. Defender Teenage Hadebe is a major doubt after picking up a knock against Angola. If he misses out, Jordan Zemura may be moved into a more defensive role. Their strategy. Zimbabwe has nothing to lose. Expect coach Mario Marinica to play a more expansive game, likely pairing Prince Dube and Macaulay Bone up front to physicalize the South African centre backs. The forecast and prediction. The rivalry context. These neighbors know each other intimately. Many Zimbabwean players, stars, play or have played in the South African Betway Premiership. While South Africa has dominated recent competitive fixtures, including a 3-1 win in June 2024, Zimbabwe's matchday 3 history is surprisingly good. All three of their previous AFCON wins have come on the final day of the group stage, so South Africa must be careful of this. The match pattern. Zimbabwe will be forced to attack, which plays directly into the Bafana Bafana's strength. South Africa's transition speed with Apolis and Nkota Omremi will likely exploit the gaps left by a marauding Zimbabwean side. Expect a heated physical encounter with multiple yellow cards. The predicted score, it is 2-1 to South Africa's favor. Okay, that by prediction. So in summary, South Africa secures second place and sets up a mouth-watering round of 16 clash against the runner-up of Group F, likely either Cameroon or Ivory Coast. Zimbabwe, despite a brave showing, exits at the group stage once again. Go to the comment section, guys, and give me your own predictions for this match. My name is Tebos Kosana. The name of the platform is Mzansi Total Football. Thank you guys for tuning in.